Who would have thought one paw print could lead to all this? From South Africa's rolling grasslands to the majestic wilderness of Yellowstone's untamed landscapes, deep in Ecuador's Amazon rainforest, and the vibrant ecosystems of Florida lies a world bursting with life. We tell powerful stories that celebrate our planet. Our remote cameras don't just capture images, they capture wonder. Each frame reveals nature's beauty, resilience, and raw truth. Through the art of photography, we raise awareness and inspire action. Our team is united by one mission: to protect what's wild through the power of photography. Join us on this journey, capturing wild stories, inspiring change.